Gold and silver both traded in the no trade zone as we discussed in our yesterday's analysis. Precisely 1940-50 zone was the no trade zone and it stayed within the same range. At the same time, silver too has stayed in the though traded with a slight bearish bias, however, in a very much range bound fashion. So, what to expect today, which position you should take, and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. To watch that also, you can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Also, please stay away from the scammers who ask any investment on my name. Please remember, I do not approach anyone from my side first, and we do not have any investment scheme. Please report such scammers, be it on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever you find any imposter approaching you on my name. Please report it immediately. Let's start. Now look at gold on the hourly charts first of all. See, till yesterday it was trading in this zone. Fine. Today it tried to breach this channel. See, you can see beautifully higher lows are seen today. It tried to breach this channel here and indicated slight bearishness or a bearish intent. But on the top side, you will still find it giving you lower highs, and at the same time on the downside 1940 1938 is still a very good support level, and hence the zone still remains same, that is 1940 1950. Do not trade in between this. Now see, the stochastic has reached a little overbought levels. The MACD is trying to look upwards, trade bullish, and RSI is very much at a comfortable zone. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, like, you will find this is a zone of consolidation in which it is trying to trade. Here it is also given a reversal sign, though it has breached the channel, however has given a reversal sign. Also, if you see, you will find it getting a resistance from the 20 period moving average and the convergence to the 20 period moving average. Now one more point, if you see, the moving averages have diverged strongly, which increases the chance for gold to go up. Hence, any move above 1950, at least we should expect it to hit 1955-60 zone. This is going to be the zone where we will be looking forward to if it stays above 1950 levels, then and then only. The stochastic is seen rising. MACD is trying to look upwards, trying to trade bullish. RSI almost at a comfortable zone, neither indicating bullishness nor bearishness. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, you will find, see, the maximum divergence here, then it tries to retrace, then again the moving averages have started to diverge, and see, it has kept itself constant, but the moving averages have come down and its approach till 20 period moving average is done, and possibly if it stays above, we can see definitely 1960 1980 levels also. That should be, any move above 1985 is a reversal sign. Stock RSI stochastic trying to recover a bit. The MACD, now look at MACD, it started to diverge and it is started to give some bullish signs here. Let's see if it continues. RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour, now likewise on the 4-hour chart, same phase of consolidation, though it has breached the channel, but still I will say this is in a consolidation zone between 1940-50. You can take a trade at 1940. However, one has to be remain very cautious and alert. You can see stronger support, multiple candles getting rejection at these levels, 1942 1936. You have to remain extremely cautious and aware. Any drop below 1936 1935 will bring more bears. Below 1935 we are going to look forward to a very sharp drop. You have to remember that fact. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, now see, MACD is trying to trade with divergence and little bullishness. RSI almost flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see, previously you will see the yesterday's candle taking the support from the 100 period moving average situated at 1940 levels. This candle is trying to give it a little reversal. Let's see, because see, one candle in red, next candle gives a breakdown, then we can expect a further sharper break on the downside in the coming 2-3 days for gold, and hence we have to watch, because right now it is very much in the consolidation zone. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts, increases the chance of a rise. MACD has also stayed bearish for a while now. Chances for it to converge crossover exist. RSI almost at bottom and trading flat. So now concluding this, now today again the same range will remain valid. No trade between 1940 1950. On the downside till 1935. Remember, you are risking $5 because it can reverse any point of time till 1935. We have seen it getting support here on the downside. Hence, we have to remain extremely cautious and watchful here till 1935. Do not consider this as bearish. Below 1935, we are going to look forward to another round of good drop. You have to trade with caution till then. And above 1950, certainly we can expect a recovery till 1955-60 levels. Trade with caution till then, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Only few seats are left now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies such that you can trade profitably, trade independently. Or else you can be part of my signal channel where you can just trade as per the signals and definitely profit. Reach out again for the details here. Now, look at the hourly charts for silver. See, silver 2320, 2330, 2340. This is the box where it has got maximum resistance. Any move above 2340 definitely will call for the bulls out there. At the same time, on the hourly chart, see, after retracing a bit, it is trying to give a breakout, and see, it is getting the support from the super trend here. Possibly 2304 and 2295, these two levels we have to be watchful of. These are a very good support levels for silver as of now. Right now it is trying to top. It has given a breakout on the hourly charts. It may continue for a couple or more candles. The stochastic is dropping. MACD is trying to trade bearish, but see, first cycle, second cycle, then there should be a third cycle which could bring upward move, and hence right now we have to watch a little before taking a short entry. RSI trying to look down, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, after a couple of retracements, this is the first breakout candle. But yes, here also it is indicated. Now it is completely reversed. So possibly till 23 or 2304, do not sell at least till 2304. Below that 2295 till 2295, and in fact till 2290. We should be extremely cautious and alert. It can reverse any point of time. Any buying opportunity is only above 2320 levels, or rather I said 2330 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking down, and it is starting the second cycle of this. Possibly even if it has to stay bullish, this is trying to retrace a little. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts too, a flat top, a resistance there at 2330, 2340 zone. Very strong resistance here. With that as resistance, it is trying to drop. See, the drop there, the retracement, consolidation, and this is expanding here, possibly breaking below 23 or 2295. It will call for the more bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, RSI looking down. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, similar is the story here, but look at the charts there. See, this has closed with a rise and a smaller green body. What it could do, it could try to pull up and close with a similar smaller body there, such that it is still remain indecisive of it, which direction it wants to take. And if you look at a stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost trading flat. And on the daily chart, now look at the daily chart. See, previous candle, higher highs were seen, lower lows are already seen. The highs there, if it reverses beyond 2330, we can expect 2340. And if it stays above 2340, more bullishness can be expected. Yes, it can reverse because lower lows are done. Higher highs can also be expected here. Stochastic has recovered a bit. MACD has seen a long bearish streak. Now time for it to converge crossover, and hence bullishness there. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Possibly once it stays above 2330, you can stay long, but then most importantly, I will watch for 2340 levels to be breached. Remember, you are risking 10 cents there. If it stays above 2340, it is going to call for more bullishness, and we may see it flying strongly above that for 2360, 2380 levels. And on the downside, below 2304, you can sell. However, 23 and 2295, these two levels, it needs to break pass by. Until 2280 also, we may see very good support in silver, because below 2280, we are going to look forward to a very good drop for 2250 and below levels. Yes, in the near future, there is a potential for it to hit 22, but right now it may try to recover a bit, and hence we have to be still watchful and cautious today. Possibly it is looking forward to a downward move. However, one has to watch carefully before taking any position. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.